About to go over here and square up with this lady who gave me some a few supplies and refreshments on credit. Go over here and give her money. I know people like the turkey wing scammer and a few others I know went back over here and made things right. Got a lot of grimy people out here. Hola. Sí, have your mucho dinero. This is day 3, night 4, which will be night 4 in Guatemala City. This is my last night here before I head down to Antigua, Guatemala. Not to be confused with the country of Antigua. But yeah, nice fun-filled day playing. I'm gonna treat a lot of kids to ice cream. Go over to the market, get my refrigerator magnet, t-shirts, couple souvenirs for the crib, and things of that nature. But out here, not one raindrop. I do got my umbrella with me in my hoodie. If it do get chilly, or if the weather try to betray me, so far it's been cooperating. I really like to see this country get rewarded some type of sporting event because it has a lot of potential. I like the way it's set up, a lot of hustling, a lot of bustling, people working out here grinding, trying to make a living, just going about their daily lives, moving Uber Eats on the highway in between traffic. I appreciate it, the chicken buses moving around. I'm gonna ride on one of those in Antigua. But I can't wait to treat about 100 kids to ice cream this afternoon. I got about 20 Worldwide West packs on me. I'm gonna give those out. Yeah. Guatemala City. If I can, listen, I'm just trying to find me a country where I can get me some decent health coverage, and I'm gonna cash out on a condo, and I'm getting the fuck out of New Jersey. Straight up. Would have been left if New Jersey didn't have such good health coverage. They do got good health coverage in New Jersey. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. Straight up. Only thing keeping me there. Ain't shit else in New Jersey. I'm heading to, it's like a new developed city called Cayeta, and it's about 15 minutes from Guatemala City. Definitely worth checking out. Walking around, exploring. He whipping this little dune buggy though. He whipping it. He whipping this stick. Long as he keep a safe distance between these dune buggies, he can do his numbers. I like the way he cut these corners. He's whipping his little dune buggy. There we go, Kaoud. Yeah, he's whipping his little dune buggy. Wow. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this is a whole new area, a whole new city they built up, and definitely looking forward to here. Okay, gonna take me. I need to get my breakfast of some bananas and bread. That's normally my breakfast here, Finito.
Sí.
Yeah, normally mornings I just eat like bananas, a roll. I just need something to sustain me till I can get my lunch later on. I just need a banana. All right. Cuatro. See. What else we got? What we got in there? Let me see. All right. So we got. All right. Let's see. All right. Crema. Which one? Only uno? Crema? No. It has crema? Creamer? See. Have me a little breakfast. No bananas in here? No bread? Oh no, I'm just joking. All right. This little area over here. Nice little area. Just check it out though. Let's explore. Let's explore. Nice area. Just walking around there, listening to some Sade. Love Deluxe album particularly. Just went inside North Faces here. They had like a camouflage Guatemalan t-shirt for when I get to this volcano on Sunday morning to climb that. That's gonna be dope. And a nice pen. Let's take a look. Hola. To upgrade this plane, let me have that. Take that off of there. Okay. I'm definitely gonna get a few pens. Okay. We're about to take that off of there. All right. Okay. We get these two pens here. So it's only fitting. Mira. Nombre. Worldwide West. Repita.
World West.
See, this is for you.
Thank you.
Candy sticker chain. Opens and wrist. Here's one for you. Okay? I came over here in Cayala and just adorned my hat with these 3 pens. With these beautiful ladies help me out. My new Instagram friends, I gave them Worldwide West packs and the whole kit and caboodle. Just came over here and just man, this is gotta keep the tattoo covered up in the sun, of course. But yeah. The area of Cayala. They got apartments over here they building up. They got condos, hotels, movie theater. It's like a small little city. Can't be no more than about 2 miles that they built and still developing as we speak. I wonder when Coco see our colors together, does she think of me like I do her? It's really crazy. Who remember this from our childhood? All these trinkets and gizmos. Huh? Got the vintage comic books that I collected when I was a kid. Blue Beetle, Doc Samson, Incredible Hulk, Sandman, maybe something by John Byrne, Tim McFarlane. Yeah, let's go back. Yeah, I collected for a long time as a kid growing up, man. Very nostalgic. I can read something on a plane. Did y'all know I collected comic books for several years growing up? What we got there? You got anything with Doc Samson?
Where you guys from? Where are you from?
I'm from New Jersey. It's adjacent to New York.
Yeah. Love it. Josh.
My name is Worldwide West. Repita.
Right. Worldwide West.
See.
Pretty close to Mr. Worldwide.
See, exactly.
You a singer or something?
Huh?
You a singer or something?
No, I just travel, enjoy life. That's it.
That's cool.
I'm no celebrity. I'm no athlete, no former athlete, none of that.
But your name is pretty cool.
Yeah, anything with Blue, thank you, I appreciate it. Anything with James Garrett, the original Blue Beetle, anything with Ted Cord, not this new Blue Beetle, he's silly.
No.
Maybe Amazing Spider-Man issues 275 to 280 when they took on the Sinister Six. Remember that?
Yeah.
Yes.
Remember that? Those are the McFarlane issues, or Eric Larson. Here's some of the Hulk issues.
Daredevil issue 223, when the Beyonder gave him his sight back because he hired him as a lawyer.
Man,
I mean, can we talk about this or not? Like, what are we doing here?
Yeah.
Remember that?
Yeah,
when Beyonder gave him his sight, Beyonder had Daredevil on retainer, and as payment, he gave him his sight. But then he was like, "No, I don't want your sight. Put me back." That's like one of the first issues. Like, people don't realize, some of these issues made you cry as a kid.
Yeah,
when you read
yeah,
them.
they really touch on emotions.
People don't get it.
Yeah.
Read these comic books as a kid. I used to escape reality.
That's it.
I can't wait to get my hands on $10 a week, collecting big cans and bottles to go get my. Hold on, what's that? Hold on, lift that up. Whoa, that's what we talk about.
Yeah, but that was in Spanish.
Oh shit, oh man.
That's the bomb, right?
That's what I'm talking about. The Sinister Six.
All right.
Man, I remember those issues.
And this one,
Damn.
I did have.
In Guatemala, they're tiny, but they're very efficient. No more than about $3 or $4 to go all over the city. This with my silly ass tour guide. He didn't even say what it was about or what it represented. That was like that was the worst tour I ever took in my life. This guy didn't know what he's doing. He didn't talk. He wasn't well versed with the city. It was just horrible. But they don't have no official city tour groups here. So this is some run-of-the-mill guy that's on Instagram doing tours. It's cutting it kind of close. They're putting up the buildings over here. They're developing this country. They'll be damned. All right, got some waterworks coming up down here. They out here moving around in Guatemala, boy. Oh, look, I got the little fountains over there. Very nice. This jealous ass van won't get out my way though, so I can get a view. But yeah, it's Guatemala City. I'm gonna go over by the plaza around 2:30, 3 o'clock and treat all the kids to ice cream. Yeah. Guatemala City. It has not disappointed thus far. And y'all gonna see these pins on my hats for the rest of my life around the world. I got these over in Calleja. Got the boarding pass, I'm on a plane and I'm traveling the world. So these was really dope to get. Really feeling them. As you should too. Here in zone of 4 by the Railroad Museum, the taxi driver told me to be careful with these. He don't know that I went to war with them European gypsies over in Switzerland, Italy, and Paris for like a whole month. So of course I'm gonna keep my head on a swivel, but I went to war with them thieves over in Italy and Paris last summer. Like Meek Mill say, I went to war with niggas right from down the street. You see a Buick in the city, it was we. Let me stop. I'm in one of the markets outside of the Railroad Museum. They're literally making tortillas by scratch. It's a very special technique they use. Notice how she's playing patty cake with them and flipping them. The flour is made of a nice, soft, doughy, molecular construction. I'm definitely gonna get some tortillas when I come out of the museum. I come back, okay? I come back and support. Let me go into this museum. I'll be back 1 hour. I come, buy tortillas. See. Let's go up in this museum. Check out these trains for an hour. All right. Go up in this museum. Check out these trains from back in the day. It's a thick little Guatemalan. Hola. Into the Railroad Museum. Muchos gracias, señorita. Muchos gracias, señor. Let's check this spot out. Check out the trains. They're running amok. So let me let them run and do what they're gonna do. Hola, how are you?
Hello.
Nombre. Nombre. My name is Worldwide West. Repita. Repita.
Worldwide West.
See. This is a school trip? School trip? Who's the teacher? Where's the teacher at? Call the teacher over. I'm gonna see if I can treat y'all to some ice. Would you guys like some ice cream? Ice creamer? Where's it? I'm trying to see if I can treat these kids to all ice cream outside in the plaza. I need help. Can one of y'all help me?
Hey,
Anybody speaks English here, bilingual?
you are?
Okay. I would like to know if I can treat these kids to ice cream in the plaza. The truck come up and I buy them all ice cream. Is that okay? Is there an ice cream truck outside? Yep. I have what? No YouTube channel, Instagram. You have ice cream? No ice creamer.
Can I get you
Instagram? Worldwide West 27. The guy you was with. I don't have enough. Okay, hola. No, nombre. Monica? Name? Leon? Name? Julio? Nombre? Angela? Okay. So I don't have enough worldwide. I didn't bring enough worldwide West packs on this trip, but I will give these two adorable princesses worldwide West packs. I don't have enough. I gotta give him one, but I don't want to cause hysteria by pulling out the couple that I got. I can have some worldwide West packs expedited. Someone going to my apartment, assemble about 100 worldwide West packs, and same day deliver it to Guatemala. But I don't have that type of reach. Hold on. Uno, dos, tres.
Worldwide West.
Repita.
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 Worldwide West.
One line. Whoa, whoa, whoa. One line. Hold on. Uno. Excuse me. Give them all a donut, okay? Uno, a donut. I pay. All right. All right. Looks like the donuts are the things that's moving over here. Donuts for the whole. Then, hello, hola. You have your donut? You have? Okay. De nada. Which guy wanted my hat? Who asked for my hat? Here, I got something else for you. Here. Oh, you got one? I gave you one, right? So you want my hat? Okay, I'll give him one. Everybody has a donut. Everybody got a donut, right? See? See? All right, everybody got a donut. Thank you. Worldwide West wristbands on. All right, let's hit the chant one time. 1, 2, 3.
Worldwide West.
Louder.
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 Worldwide West.
All right, Trey. Oh, okay. Up here, in the trains. This guy was like, you ain't gotta peek in them. Walk up the damn steps and go inside. Damn. This is how they traveled back in the day. Well, this is the cargo. They couldn't possibly been here. This is probably where all the cargo was on these trains back in the day. Up here is the seats. This is where phone calls were made. Shit, I gotta stop taking Amtrak and these European trains for granted. Damn. Okay. Remind me of the current season of the, well, not current to me because I ain't seen it, Walking Dead, and also they definitely stole scenes from Resident Evil 0, that train scene, for sure. Looks like the train from Back to the Future that Doc Hollywood had. Nombre. Sí. Alberto. My name, nombre, is Worldwide West.
Worldwide West.
Sí.
Where you from?
New Jersey.
New Jersey?
By way of New York.
Oh.
Sí.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Muchos gracias. I'm gonna tear me some fish up this afternoon over at the market. Just treated those kids to donuts. They're here on a school trip. That was dope. That was lovely. But I gotta treat a lot of them to some ice cream. I'm not done. I am not done. 100 years ago, this was first class? No, these seats wasn't around 100 years ago. I shop.
No, this is new.
Oh, okay.
We are conversion.
Okay, conversion. But you're saying for the most part, this cart was, but there's no train that resembles what first class looked like back in 1885?
80. No,
Okay.
85.
1880, okay. Easy. You all right? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Pop. Don't let it defeat you.
You stay here.
It's too hot to stay here, Pop. We walk around. It's too hot. Uncomfortable train ride. Damn.
You want to take the food?
Imagine. Oh, they came here to eat their food. This was like the cafeteria to order food. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. Very nice.
Look.
No problem. Shake you just did? No, you did a handshake. Who taught you how to do this? You too old to be doing that. All right. I hope I live to see your age, man, 80 years old. Thank you so much, man. May God bless you to see 180.
Don't worry.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Be a nice tour of this train yard, and I'm so grateful for them. I'm gonna put them behind me real quick.
See you later.
All right, my friend, take care. Worldwide West wristbands on. All right, let's hit the chant one time. 1, 2, 3.
Worldwide West.
Louder.
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 Worldwide West.
All right. In the belly of Guatemala. I done penetrated one of the bellies, one of the underground, one of the underbellies of Guatemala City. I tell you, I feel more safer when I'm traveling than I do at home. I don't ever worry about nobody coming up to me, poking me, and spilling 3 quarts of my blood into the middle of the street. Hola. I need a piece of corn though. Who got some corn over here? Who got some corn? Some fresh corn on the cob. I wouldn't mind having some corn on the cob. Corn on the cob? Corn? Corn on the cob. Going once. Going twice. Corn on the cob. Hola, my friend. Huh? Corn on the cob. Going once. Going twice. I need corn on the cob. El Corno El Cabo. Hola. Out here in the belly of this motherfucker today. People are authentic Guatemalan food experiences right outside the train museum. You can come here and get you a nice cultural experience, tasting the best foods of Guatemala just outside of the train station. They're out here whipping it up. They doing it live, hibachi style. Sodas, CIC, very good. Get over here right outside the train station and support these people. Nombre, 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 Zero. So come to Zero, nombre, Gato. Okay, Worldwide West. Repita, repita. Worldwide West. See. Okay. All right, thank you. Muchas gracias. Very nice. I mean, I don't eat meat, cheese, pork, sausage, and things of that nature, but y'all get over here. Here in the belly of Guatemala. Look at that bus, it's packed. Standing room only. Food stalls all up and down the street. Out here amongst the locals, mixing it up, spreading love, spreading joy. Motor coaches everywhere. People moving Uber Eats by motor coachos. People riding the motor coachos. Buses is moving about. Really bustling city. Very bustling area. All right, back over here at Central Mercado. This y'all want to get y'all meats. Y'all come here and get your shop on. I'm about to get my lunch on, some fish. And hola, my friend. Hola. Over here in we'll find it. A lot of fruits and vegetables. The spot that I ate at is over here. Told him I'll be back on Friday to get that I ate at is over. Excuse me. I told him I would be back on Friday to get my eat on. Find them though. Where are they? Where are they? I gotta find them. Or maybe they'll find me. I'm back. Fish? Yeah. Let's see. Fish? All right. No, I see. Opening up his Worldwide West pack. You know, put on his bracelet. Now he wants to put on his necklace. Donado. He got on his Worldwide West necklace. People that's out here hustling and buttering about their work day in Guatemala City. I respect their grind. I respect their hustle. Guatemala City. Just sitting out here People watching, drinking me a Guatemalan beer. Just sitting out here, just people watching. Beautiful night too. Tomorrow I head down to Antigua, Guatemala for a couple of days. Love looking at the hustle and bustle of people from around the world in different countries just going about their everyday life. Vendors everywhere, food stalls. I never get concerned about somebody coming up to me, poking me, and leave 3/4 of my blood into the middle of the street. The full stall set up out here. They're cooking it up, whipping up the delicious food. Really. Hola. You have corn? Corn? Need some corn on the cob. I finally found the corn lady. So I'm gonna get me a nice piece of corn.
Hey, what's up?
Hola, corn.
Hey, bueno te loco un esquite. Quiero que
I wasn't leaving Guatemala City until I got a piece of corn.
Yellow.